Hi friends, in our previous videos we have discussed about how to calculate squares and cubes easily. But in this video we will discuss how to find square root of any numbers easily with a short trick. First of all, we have to have an idea about 1 to 10 squares. Yes, now we are going to start our example with 3-digit numbers. We can take our 3-digit example as 841. Then we have to divide these numbers. How can we divide? We have to divide from right hand side two numbers like this, and remaining we have to leave it as 8. Now we have to check that what is the last digit in 841. In 841 the last digit is 1, and in which square the 1 is coming as last digit? We can observe that in 1 square and in 9 square 1 will come as last digit. Then we have to take our units place digit options as 1 and 9. While coming to 8, in between which squares 8 will come? In between 2 square and 3 square we can observe that 8 will come.
And then now we have to consider the smallest number of 8. Here the smallest number of 8 is 4, and 4 is the square of 2. Then we have to write 2 here.
And what is next digit of 2? 2's next number is 3. Multiply 2 with 3, then we have got 6. And if this 8 is smaller than this number, then we have to take smallest number. If this 8 is larger than this number, we have to take big number in these both for our units place digit. We can observe that 8 is largest than 6, so we have to take 9 as our units place digit, and 29 is our square root for root over 841. Now we will take our example as 4-digit number. Root over 4624. From right hand side divide these numbers like this, from two numbers like this, and remaining as it is. And what is the last digit here? 4 is the last digit, and 4 will come in the square of 2, and again 8 square is 64, so that 4 is the last digit number. And we can take our last digit options as 2 and 8. And now for finding the tens place digit, we have to check 46. In between the 6 square and 7 square, the 46 will be coming. 6 square is 36 and 7 square is 49, which 46 appears in between of these both numbers. So we have to take the smallest number of 46, which is 36, and which is the square of 6. 6 we have to write as units, and next number of 6 is 7, and multiply them. 6 7s are 42. If this 46 is smallest than this number, we have to take smallest number. If this 46 is now bigger, so we have to take biggest number. 68 will be our square root. Now friends, we are going to our final example, but before moving to final example, I am going to say you one thought. Practice makes man perfect, friends. Yes, if you practice and practice, then you will be perfect in short tricks. We take our final example as
Root over
11449. Divide two numbers from right side and leave these three numbers as it is, and we can observe that 9 is the last number in this number, and 9 will come in which squares, friends? Yes, 9 will come in 7 square, which means 49, and it will come in even 3 square. Yes, 3 square is 9. We can take our options as 3 and 7 and 114. While going to 114, for calculating our tens place digit, 114 will come in between the square of 10 square, which means 100, and 11 square, which means 121. So we have to take the smallest number, which means 100, which is the square of 10, and right here 10 is our units place and is our first digit, and 10 multiplied by its next number 11 is 110, and 114 is bigger than 110, so we have to take our bigger number as 7, and 107 is the square root of 11449. So friends, if you want to learn how to find squares easily, then I have given a link in our description box so that you can go through it and learn how to find squares quickly. Thanks for watching.